Hello. So we are back. Same Wednesday. Now look what we have to repair here. This is some subwoofer, some Yamaha subwoofer. Okay, so we have to fix it. Actually, it's no sound. You can see it's on. I check here. You see the LED? It's on. Turn it off. It's off. Okay, you can see it's off. Now I'll turn it on. Now it's on, but it's no sound. So the volume is full volume. Yeah, that's full volume, and we have no sound. Nothing. You should hear some sound when you come on the RCA connectors, but it's no sound. Yeah, you should hear 50 hertz, you know, the noise, but nothing. Okay, so what do we know till now? We know it's not a power supply issue. Yeah, because we have lighter. Nah, I can't use my electric screwdriver. No. Let me find another screwdriver. Okay, let me find a screwdriver and we can open this. Let's try to fix it. Hopefully it's not it's some chip on audio amplifier. Thank you, Sam. Can be the speaker. Yeah, it can be. I don't know if it's output on this input, output to speakers. Okay, so this is the input, high signal input for, let's say, amplifier. This is the output for speakers. Probably left and right channel, and this is the subwoofer. But this is a Yamaha thingy, you know, it's not like any random speaker. Should be a good quality one. Let's see how hard it is to fix a audio amplifier. How hard it can be. I'm just curious if it's a switching power supply or, you know, a transformer one. Because the proper audio amplifiers, they will have a normal transformer, not a switching power supply. Let's see. It is a normal transformer, I told you. It is a proper one. STK audio amplifier, so kind of pointless, probably is burned. But we'll see. I'll take out the speaker connection. Red is plus, okay. Let's see. Okay, good. So you see, this is a classic amplifier. Subwoofer. We have a relay. I can't hear the relay. The relay should be clicking, but I can't hear it for some reason. We have a fuse. The fuse probably is good. Let's plug it and check some voltages, yeah? Now it's plugged in. Let's get a multimeter. First, let's see the voltage for the amplifier. So we have a differential power supply minus with the middle pin here, middle point here. Here we have 36 volts, and here we have opposite 36 volts. So the high voltage power supply is good, right? Now let's check the low voltage power supply. So I'll use the middle pin here. And here I can see a linear regulator, which has nothing here. Now you can't even see. This swingy. Yeah, this is a linear regulator. Okay, it has 11 volts here. 11 volts here. And 44 in the middle. Okay, this is a transistor. It's not a chip. An integrated circuit. It's a transistor. Because I have an emitter, I have the output. I have on the base, we have same voltage like on the output. And on the collector we have 34 volts, yeah, or how much it was. Good. So we do have 11 volts. What do we have more here? Here we have few more transistors. And not sure what they are doing here. But they are warm, so I suppose it's working. We do have a relay here. Let me see what this relay is doing. Okay, the relay is connected. Okay, the relay is connecting the AC. And the AC is good. But the DC is good, so that means the relay is fine. Okay. So if you ask me, everything looks good. On those chips, we have some or these are resistors or chips? Resistor? No, probably not. Are no resistors. Let's see what voltage do we have here. $72 volts. That's cool. Everything looks fine. Let's check the speaker. So the speaker is getting connected by the relay, okay? But the relay let me check the output, yeah? So that's ground. And on the output we don't have voltage, so that means possible the audio amplifier to be good, right? Oh, we do have, okay. Pointless. Audio amplifier is burned. So the audio amplifier has no capacitor on the output, yeah, because you have a differential power supply with plus, minus, and middle point, which is ground. So on the output you should have 0 volts compared with the ground, okay? But on this case we have 30 and something volts, and normal the relay is not clicking, because if you click it will burn the speaker. So I'm really sorry for this chip, but this is burned. We can find it on eBay. Let's see, eBay STK 404. UK only, £24. Wait, I found it. No, 24. Okay, so this is like £24. I will order one and see you on the next video when we are replacing this one, yeah? So you understand, on the relay thingy, that's how you check why the relay is not clicking. On the relay, yeah, so I have ground here. Like, I don't know if you can see, yeah. Here on the relay pin, here, I have minus 36 volts, you can see. So this is not supposed to be there. That's why I know this is burned. Okay? So I will order now and see you on the next video, yeah? Hello. So we are back Tuesday morning and I'm impressed, yeah? So you remember the video from yesterday? Actually on that Xiaomi Mi phone, Mi 9, I think it was, yeah? Well, where I removed the Zener diode and the people react, you know, I love to see people react, yeah? Doesn't matter if it's a positive comment or negative, or but I love to see the reaction, and it's I'm enjoying reading the comments. Anyway, yeah, like always, everyone said, it's a dodgy job, that's not repair, it's half job done. Everyone said, this remind me about the karma video, the bad karma. The black thing which I removed from the charging port, the Zener diode. It's funny. It's fair to say, what, I love my community. Well, the true, it's on another level, yeah. And I will explain. And I did it once, yeah. I did it once. Once I had a laptop, a HP laptop, and you will not find a laptop with a Zener diode on the power supply, but that HP laptop had that Zener diode on the 19 volts power rail. It was a HP laptop. I think was the only one which I found a laptop to have a Zener diode on the 19 volts power rail. And I removed that. That diode was shorted. That was making the laptop dead. I removed the diode, and the same, you know, people didn't understand and say, look, you remove the protection, now the laptop will die, you know. And I made the next video. I took a laptop and I said, you know what, let's test it with a power supply to see how much voltage can handle. Yeah, if you remember that video. And actually a laptop can work fine with no problems. I don't remember what voltage I think I go to 26, 28 volts, and the laptop was working fine. Because any power supply, yeah, it will be designed with a low more voltage limit. Yeah, let's say your main power rail is 90 volts. That chip will work fine up to 30 volts. Yeah, so it's not actually a risk there. The second problem on the phone is nothing connected to the charger power rail directly. I mean, yeah, like no parts from the phone. Yeah, that voltage goes straight to a charging IC, a regulator. Yeah, and that one is not meant to work with 5 volts. You have USB-C there. Yeah, the limit on the charging voltage can go up to 20 volts. So that means that chip can handle easily 30 volts. Yeah. So nothing will happen just because I removed that Zener. I wish to have the phone and raise the voltage with the power supply and show you. Actually, it's nothing to be scared. Okay, let's replace this. This chip just arrived. I will edit the video and I'll combine the videos. So you have the first part when I found actually this chip is dead, and now we have to replace it. It's just a boring job, an easy one. Well, you know what? I do love my community. If you remember, yeah, how do we diagnose and said, look, this audio chip is dead, the audio amplifier is dead with the STK chip? Is because the output relay is not clicking, and it's not clicking from a good reason. On the output of this chip, on the audio output, I have 36 volts. So it has a circuit there, and if it's identifying any voltage on the output, it will not connect the speaker, just to protect the speaker. Yeah. So that's how we know this chip is dead. Okay. Let's. We have to take out. It is a little bit of work here. We have to take the heatsink out, or not. Oh yeah, we do have to take the heatsink out. Oh wait, I have a phone number there. You know what? Did you ever seen Breaking Bad? Huh? Because that was a nice TV show. It's a serial. I think there's 5 seasons, and it's not about drugs, meth. It's not about that. It's about, you know, there are some life lessons which are very nice, you know. The main actor there was playing Walter White, yeah. And if you've seen the Walter White, how can I say it? I have a limited words in English, but anyway, his thing, and he got changed not by the fact he was want to make money. That was not the reason there. Yeah? In the end of the TV series, on the end of season 5, I believe, he said, you know, it's I made it for myself. But he was always hiding behind the family. No, I'm doing this because of my family, yeah, to provide to my family. But that was not the truth. But yeah. So same like in Breaking Bad. What do we have here? We have Sorin, and Sorin is kind of a Walter White. He's trying to hide. Yeah, Sorin is hiding behind of the. It's not time for jobs. We have to balance the time we're making money. But actually, that's the way how he is. That's the way how he fix things. So what do you try to do, yeah? And I told you in another video, you try to change Sorin, yeah? You want a word without Sorin. That's the problem. Because when you comment and say, look, Sorin, you should not do it like that, you should do it on a proper, you should replace that another, you know, that's the problem. You try to change me. You don't try to change you, yeah? You can try be better than me and say, look, I will not be like Sorin. I will do it in a proper way. Now, I give you the opportunity to be better. You see? Simple. Easy. So we have to remove this. You know what I mean? I'm sure you know. So don't try to change me, yeah? Take the things like how they are, you know? Try to be better. That's the thing. Okay, let's remove the solders, yeah? The same like in a Breaking Bad. If you didn't see it, you must see it. It's so nice. I enjoy watching the series, the entire series. He decide, yeah, and the Breaking Bad, the Walter White decide to be the bad guy, yeah, and he used that reason, you know, I'm doing this for my family, but actually he enjoy it, and he's telling that on the end. So same like him, yeah. I'm enjoying this, doing this, yeah, and I don't want to be the good guy. It's I've been good guy so many years now. Now it's time to do whatever I like, and I fix the things however I like. Yeah. So don't get this thing, you know, wrong. Let's use some weak wire if I can find one. Oh, I really enjoy the series. There are some lessons which can be learned. Where can I find my weak wire? It was here on my desk. Probably someone took it. Most likely. Never heard before the movie producer, the Vince Gilligan. Never heard before, but he's so good. He's so good. So what we should do? Oh yeah, I found it. Okay. Yeah, so we'll use the weak wire to remove the chip. Should be an easy job. It's a relaxing job, you know. It's nothing here to think. It's nothing here to modify. It's the job what you like it. Yeah, the proper job. You find the fault. You order the new part. You replace the part. If you enjoy it, it's okay. It's nothing wrong with that. But for me, it's just boring. Okay, let's remove this. Let's dip the weak wire on the flux. Let's try to remove this thingy. So I know nothing wrong will happen with that phone. Nothing wrong will happen with that phone. But I do love the people reaction. I'm happy to see, the people are, watching exactly what you do. If you do it in the right way or not. That's good. Okay, so we remove the solder. And that's the chip. You see how simple it is? Now we move the chip. Here has the thermal paste. So I shall not touch it. And we are doing the things right now in the right way, yeah? The problem is, yeah, there is no right way or wrong way. That's the problem. Let's replace the chip quickly. I still have the thermal paste there, so it's fine. I can swap the chip straight away with no problems. Now let's feed back the chip. That's all. Now we can solder the chip. But first, let's put the screws, yeah? Really? That's what you want from me? Yeah, really? These kind of jobs? Can't believe. These kind of boring jobs. There you go. So the chip is back. Let's solder the chip. That's all. Now we can test it. Let's put back the chip, and maybe the customer wanted just to know in the future if the sound goes off, so he can know what to buy. Perfect solder. There is a little bit of rosin, which is a good isolator. No point to clean it, yeah? Now let's put back the screws. You know how it is. We like people, we always will be, we will have some feelings for people which are different from us. But it's nothing wrong to be different. Yeah? So same with the jobs. It's nothing wrong to be different. It's nothing wrong to do a job in a different way. That doesn't mean it's wrong. Yeah. Actually, that job is there because someone failed. So the manufacturer failed. That's why you have that job. There's nothing wrong to be different. Everything is fine. So the job is done. And now if we plug it, we can plug it and check the output voltage, right? Let's see what we have on the output. Or we should connect straight away the speaker. Yeah, let's connect the speaker. Probably it's working. Probably it's working. Have the screws here. Let's see. We have a nice 25 watts 6 ohm speaker. You can't see it. You can't see anything, yeah? Okay, so we put this back here like that, and now we can plug it. Let me plug it. It's on. I have light. Let's see input. You can hear? So touching the hot input, you can hear the noise, the 50 Hz noise. That means it's done. Now all what we have left is to put back the screws and the job is done. Oh, wait. Oh, that's not right. It's on the wrong direction. 1 second. Should be like that. Yeah. Now we can put back the screws. It's not that easy. You know what I wish? I wish one day we can meet all together. I would like to know everyone. Who knows? Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Maybe one day I'll have more time. And I can do different things. You know what? These STK chips. This was like a dream. Like 20 years ago, 25 years ago, this was a dream. You know, you have to have a chip with everything inside it. I was like young and I was dreaming to have an amplifier with a STK audio amplifier. But you know what? You know what? Now it's my turn. Okay? Now it's my turn. And I have to punish some people. So I will try to figure it out and think to find the most dodgiest job I can do it. Yeah, I should find one. I'm sure I can find something. I have to pay back, right? Yeah. I'm just joking. So many screws, and you know the electric screwdriver is not good for this job. Oh, okay, this is Yamaha, so actually it's not like any unknown, not branded amplifier. It's a Yamaha SW-P201. Okay. Yeah, I have a few more screws. I'll put them all back together. But I'll not keep you here. I'll not hold you here because I'm sure probably you have more important things to do. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Yeah. Just just leave a comment. I go home, I upload the video, and then I'm watching the comments. I'm enjoying the comments. Doesn't matter if are good or bad. Just do whatever you feel, yeah? Don't be afraid to press the dislike button. I have no problem with that, yeah? Do whatever you want. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Yeah? So see you on the next one. Bye.